Have you ever wondered if your speaking voice is really grabbing people the way that it could? I'll be so bold as to say the way it wants to, because when you speak in public, your voice wants to ring out. Right, Barbies?
Right!
I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and since I started teaching students and workshops about 7 years ago now, I have been shocked by how many people don't truly know how to effectively use their voice, or even possibly know what their authentic voice truly wants to sound like. Your voice is a part of you, and these bodies of ours are our vocal instrument. The two should really be working together. Now, I see the same 4 main problem areas over and over again. And the one we're going to discuss in this video today is pitch. Speaking in too low of a pitch can lead to vocal fry, as classic Barbie is going to help me demonstrate. Hi, I'm Barbie, and I'm here to talk to you about some super important stuff today. Learning to speak in your authentic pitch range will go a long way towards really grabbing your audience so they listen to and remember you. And pitch is only one of the many speaking tools you will learn in my new online class, PS for Public Speaking, Your Voice Could Be Better, starting this October. Now, to answer any questions that you may have about your voice, or to see if this class is a good fit for you, I'm offering a free webinar coming up Friday, October 12th. So click the link below to sign up for the webinar. And remember, the world needs your authentic truth spoken in your authentic voice, and I'm here to help. Now, P.S., Your Voice Could Be Better is a small, intimate training with room for only 12 people, so you'll want to secure your spot right away. Thank you so much for joining Barbie and I for this video today. And remember, click the link below to sign up for the free webinar. Thanks. We'll see you soon.